and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are so excited to be showing you everything from our Winter 2025 release in this overview video. This release is full of things perfect for winter, Christmas, the holidays, and beyond. We are so excited to be showing you all of these new stamps, dies, stencils, and more in this video, and we also just featured all of these products in our September Inspiration Week on our blog. We also have intro videos for all of these new products available now here on YouTube. And the awesome thing is that everything in this video and in our Winter 2025 release is available on September 25th. So we thought it would be fun to give you a peek at everything in this awesome release. So let's go ahead and check it out. First up, we're going to take a look at the Caroling Mice stamp set, its coordinating dies, and coordinating coloring stencils. These mice are so cute and perfect for Christmas and winter. The little trio of caroling mice just has my heart, and I love the little bench and lamppost too. They are perfect for setting the scene, and it's really fun to combine the stamp set with the Knock Knock Who's There interactive die too. And since we have mice in this release, we thought, why not have some cats? So here are our Cozy Cats and their coordinating dies and coloring stencils, and also the Cozy Cats Christmas add-on with also its dies and coloring stencils. These cute cats are perfect for winter cards, pun intended. They're also really great for general cozy cards all year round, and they're also wonderful for Christmas cards too, and I love the cute little cat with the reindeer antlers. It's just adorable. Next up, we have our Big Messages Christmas and its coordinating dies. These big messages are perfect for a bold statement on a stenciled card, and they're really great in interactive dies like our pull and slide surprise here. These messages are so beautiful, and they make for quick and easy holiday cards too. I also love that the messages fit inside a 3-inch circle perfectly. Next up, we have our All the Santa Hats stamps, dies, and coloring stencils. And these are all the Santa hats. So they're Santa hats in different styles and different sizes that you can add on to any of your favorite characters to create perfect Christmas cards out of any of your favorite sets. Here we have our Sweet Christmas mice and their coordinating dies and coloring stencils. These little mice are so cute, and the one that's holding the candy cane, he is just adorable. They are so much fun to mix and match with any of our mice sets, and they make for perfect Christmas cards. Next up, we're going to take a look at our How You Bean Pickle add-on, its coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils. This is an add-on to our original How You Bean set, which now has a brand new coloring stencil to go along with it. And you can add these cute pickles into the jar for adorable cards, or create a cute Christmas themed card with the pickles to go along with the Christmas pickle in the Christmas tree tradition. Here we have our Build a Fox dies, which is our brand new companion to our Build a Bunny. So now we have two Build a Critters, and we have brand new accessories for them. So we have our Build a Critter winter accessories, and we also have our Build a Critter Christmas accessories. And what I love about these accessories is they are mix and matchable, so you can use any of the accessories with either the bunny or the brand new fox. And here are some examples of these super cute outfits and how you can dress up these critters. The cute scarves and snow hats and mugs are perfect for winter. You can cut them out of your favorite pattern papers and become a critter fashion designer, which is so much fun. And I also absolutely love the Christmas accessories and how you can do reindeer antlers and Santa hats, and you can mix and match the both winter and Christmas accessories together to create super cute cards. Now, the other really nice thing is we have some previous accessories that originally came with the bunny. Well, they also work with the brand new fox too. So our new ones are the Christmas and winter accessories, but we also had our costumes and more costumes that came out in the fall, and then our spring accessories that came out in the springtime. And you can mix and match any of these with both the fox and the bunny. And so here are some cute examples of our fox and bunny dressed up for Halloween. Our little bunny here in the fairy costume, and then here you can see the fox in the witch costume, and then you can see the bunny in a similar costume but dressed up like a wizard, or the little fox in the ghost costume. I love that you can mix and match all of these elements together. It makes for such cute and adorable cards. Next up, we're going to take a look at our Henry's Build a Sentiment Fox. This is the latest in our series of Henry Build a Sentiment, where you can mix and match the phrases to create cute custom sentiments like our Have a Foxtastic Day, which goes perfect with our Build a Fox. This is our Christmas stocking die, and you can die cut and create the most adorable Christmas stockings. And you can also fill the stockings with both the bunny and the fox, which looks so adorable. And you can use the stocking on its own or add your favorite candy cane and peppermint die cuts or stamped images into the stocking as well. Next up, we have our village hillside border, and this village hillside is so beautiful. I love it here, die cut out of white cardstock. It looks absolutely amazing, or you can mix and match and layer the trees on for a different look, creating perfect backgrounds for all of your winter and holiday cards. Next up, we have our awesome Nordic snowflake border. I am in love with this border. It almost looks like a really beautiful ribbon that you can layer on the bottom or top of your cards for a cute design, or you can even fill an entire background to create this beautiful look. And I love how the paper peeks out from behind, so you can do a tone on tone or a bold contrast. This is our new star treat box, and it creates the most adorable three-dimensional star box that can either be filled with treats or turned into an ornament. These boxes are so much fun to create, and what I love about them is that they are perfect for the holidays, but you can also use them for other things like birthdays or congratulations or anything in your imagine, because it's just a cute star. Here you can see we've layered some stamped images, some cute die cuts and bunnies with those new outfits. We've stamped onto there, and here even a birthday version. So I love that these stars are great for all year round. Next up, we're going to take a look at our center picture window holiday add-on. This creates a new window for our center picture window die, and I love this window. And this little mini card, as you open it, has this really cool three-dimensional design that is so cool. Now, one of the awesome things about this die is that you can use it in the center picture window, but you can also just use it as a window on your cards. And so that's what we've done here. It creates the most beautiful focal point and a really great way to show off a peek of pattern paper. And I love that you can use it both kind of portrait and landscape, depending on how you cut it from your card. This is our Giant Be Merry, and it's a great bold sentiment. I love it so much on cards. Here it is, a star of the show, and then here we've combined it with our cute little fox that's dressed up for winter, and I love that Be Merry sentiment so much. Next up, we have our quilted diamond backdrop. This backdrop is stunning. It creates these beautiful pierced details on your card, and I think it's absolutely beautiful for the holidays and beyond. It has little holes that it cuts out so that you can have a peak of color popping through. Here we have a pink diamond backdrop with a little bit of blue peeking through, but you could also do white or a tone-on-tone look, depending. You can also cut things from this backdrop so that you can create a cute design on things like your magic iris or other die cuts too. Next up, we're going to take a look at some stencils. And first up, we have our cobblestone stencil. This stencil creates the perfect cobblestone texture so that you can create cute roads for your characters to stand on. Here we layered that cobblestone stencil on top of our riverside backdrop, turning it from a river into a road. It's a really cute way to add texture onto your cards and create a fun place for your caroling mice or any of your favorite critters to stand. Next up here we have our snowflake stencil, and this creates the most beautiful snowflakes, which could be a background for a scene, or it could be a bold statement with a sentiment right on top for a simple Christmas card. I love the snowflakes. I think they are just so beautiful in this sky. Next up, we're going to take a look at our cozy sweater stencil. I love this stencil so much. It creates the cutest background that's great for cozy cards, but it's great for cards all year round because it's like this fun little doodle. You can do it both vertically or horizontally on portrait and landscape cards, whatever you need for your background. It can be more bold or a tone-on-tone look, and I think it is just so cute. Then here we have our string of lights background stencils. This is a set of 3 stencils that you layer to create the most beautiful string of lights. This background is so pretty. I love it with all the different colors of lights and a bold sentiment over top, or you could also use it to create a cute scene in the background for some of your favorite critters, and I just have so much fun creating with this stencil. Next up, we're going to take a look at our brand new All the Sparkles collection. We have this in both the 12x12 and 6x6 size. We have it in a collection pack where you get 2 of each paper, and then we also have it where if there's a paper you really love, you can get 1 pack of 12 of just one design. And these papers are so beautiful because they have a gold foil on one side and then a fun tone-on-tone stripe on the other. The colors are absolutely gorgeous for the holidays, but I'm definitely going to be using these beyond for either even Halloween cards or night sky cards. They are just so beautiful. The white paper that has the gold stars is really great for ink blending, so you can ink blend over top, creating your own cool backgrounds that are going to have the gold foil on them, and I love them so much. The 6x6 pad has all of the papers reduced by about 50%, and I love both scales and mix and match them depending on the look that I'm going for on my project, and here you can see a comparison between that 12x12 and 6x6 size. Next up, we have our washi tape, which is our Christmas ornaments washi tape and Winter Village. These washi tapes are so cute. The Christmas ornaments are perfect for Christmas cards, and the Winter Village is perfect for winter cards. They are so beautiful with those gorgeous rainbow of ornaments and then that gradient sky in the Winter Village. I am just in love with this. I love adding this to my envelopes and also onto my Christmas packages and gift bags. They're really cute on tags too, and I just love them for the holidays. Next up, we have our Pick Up Pokey Tool and the wax tip replacements for it. This Pick Up Pokey Tool is so handy. It has these super cute green gems on it, which is just adorable, and then on either end it has an awesome handy tool. So on one end it has a wax tip, which has a little bit of stickiness to it, which makes it easy for picking up all those teeny tiny die cuts and layering them onto your projects. And then on the other end, there's a pokey tool so that you can poke your die cuts out of your dies or any little remaining pieces that might be inside your die cuts. Both of these are so handy to have, and I love that there's a cap for both ends, protecting both ends, and I have been using this nonstop. Last but not least, we've come out with coloring stencils for some older favorite stamp sets. So this is Here We Go A-Waddling, and we now have the brand new coloring stencils for it, which is so great. We also came out with some new coloring stencils for our Simply Celebrate Winter stamp set, and I love this because it makes for quick and easy Christmas cards. You stamp one long image and color it in with your stencils, and you can make a ton of cards. We also now have coloring stencils for our Winter Bird stamp set, and earlier I showed you the coloring stencils for our How You Bean stamp set too. And so that is our Winter 2025 release. We had so much fun during this inspiration week, and we hope you guys did too. We are really looking forward to sharing lots more inspiration with this release on our blog and on our YouTube channel, and we are so excited that all of these products are available on September 25th. I also just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for all of your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and for being absolutely amazing. We appreciate you guys so much, and we can't wait to see what you're going to create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We absolutely love seeing your incredible and amazing creations. We are so grateful for you guys, and we are sending you lots of warm and crafty wishes. So thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!